Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on AlmaLinux OS 10. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43. If you are unable to find the version, click on this archives. Then select the operating system RHLR or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we don't have the 10, but select the latest version from this list. Then once we selected above options, see it populated the list of the RPM packages. Okay, we have to download them, but instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM and click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 900 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar the start file and we will install RPM packages. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. Okay. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. LS. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.43 RPM bundle tar file. We have to untar it. tar-xf MySQL. Then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages that we have to install. So install them. Sudo rpm -ivh -nodeps start.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed MySQL Server. Control L. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. If you don't give the D, it won't work. We have to give MySQL D. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is active and running. It is started 3 seconds ago and it is enabled. Quit to quit. Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of MySQL user account password. But we don't have any user account password. Okay, but we can get the MySQL user root account temporary password by going to sudo more MySQL var log MySQL d.log grep password. See, a temporary password is generated for root account. See, this is a temporary password. This is not same for you. Now set the permanent password for root account. Sudo MySQL _secure _installation. Now copy this password and paste it. Now set the permanent password for root account. Remember this password. Later we need this password to log in. Change password again. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for root account. Okay. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of the root account. We have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.43. We can also verify the same. Select version. See, we got the same. Okay. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. So create database. Now switch to this database and create a table. See, we have created database. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. See, database changed. Now verify list of tables. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table customer. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user, but before creating user, let us verify list of users. Show users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL dot user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So create user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. So quit. Username is David-P. Then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. Now switch to this database. See here, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.0.43 on AlmaLinux OS 10. Okay. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL is stopped. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is active and running. Okay, quit control it. Now restart the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DB. Those are the most popular tools. Okay, go to new tab, then go to mysql.com again, then click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then select the MySQL Workbench, then select the operating system, Red Hat or Oracle Linux, then select version 9 because we don't have 10. Then you have to download this RPM package. Other tool is dbeaver. dbeaver.io is the official website. See here, dbeaver community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, admins, and everyone working with data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache Family, and more. See here, we have two versions: Community and Pro. Community is open source edition, so click on download. Then scroll down. See here, we have the Linux RPM package. We have to download and install. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. These files are not recorded anymore, so remove them to clear the space. rm star.rpm. This will delete all RPM packages from the current directory. ls, we have one more file, remove it also. rm mysql, press the tab to autofill enter tar file name. ls, see here we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL server 8.0.43 on AlmaLinux OS 10. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.